Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which terminals are involved and why it matters. Some airlines operate from different terminals at Changi. Show your passport and boarding pass immediately. Staff may need to verify you for transfer. Once done, collect any transfer documents and keep luggage tags visible. Make sure to note the scheduled departure time and leave a 60 to 90-minute buffer for moving between terminals, security, and possible rechecking of bags so you avoid missed connections. You now choose how to move. The free SkyTrain connects terminals 1, 2, and 3 airside quickly, so stay within sterile transit if possible. This avoids extra immigration checks. If you must walk, follow the colored signs and use covered walkways between terminals 2 and 3. It's slower but direct. If you exit landside to transfer, be prepared to clear immigration, collect and recheck bags, and allow time for shuttle buses or taxis. This adds complexity and can cost time. You finish by reaching the correct airside gate and verifying boarding time on displays. Aim for at least 45 minutes before boarding to clear any last security checks. If the SkyTrain is unavailable or delayed, flag down airport staff or use the free shuttle bus. Staff can provide escorted transfer if you risk missing a flight. If problems occur, contact your airline immediately to request rebooking or gate updates. This quick step resolves most issues without long waits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.